Another waterfall stop. This one is Seljalandsfoss.
Seljalandsfoss, right?
Seljalandsfoss. Another waterfall stop. This one is called Seljalandsfoss.
Probably.
We'll go with that. Come on. There's 2 more waterfalls right next to it too. It's like Waterfall Valley. Look at the rainbow. Yeah. This is pretty cool. You can get pretty close, so let's walk up to it. There's many waterfalls on our trip because there's like as many waterfalls in Iceland as there are pigeons in New York.
Is that a fact?
It is, yeah.
Wait, did you really read that?
This waterfall has a pretty epic viewpoint that gets you behind the fall. Oh my God. It's so amazing. So we came up from here. We were standing down there before and our cars parked all the way down there. If this doesn't impress you, I don't know what does. It's another rainbow! Oh, the sun's really coming out now. It's nice. Wow. Oh my God, this looks like a slide. Man, line's closed already.
Oh man, it's closed.
Man. We started down here, we walked up these stairs, then you get behind the waterfall. If you're lucky, you'll see a rainbow, and then you come up here. Don't be scared of the rocks here, climb it, because then there's stairs that take you right back down, so it's worth it. Another rainbow!
Well, yeah, it's anytime the sun's behind you and you've got mist to refract the light. But what's amazing is that, yeah, all rainbows are circular. It's just the land gets in the way usually.
We just pulled into the Skogafoss waterfall parking lot. The waterfall is right there. Up here is a trail that leads to the top so you can look down on it. We're not gonna do that. That's a long way up. I mean, that's like a lot of steps. And it's the end of the day and I'm tired. This is what it looks like at 9 o'clock. And it doesn't really get dark completely at all right now. We're here in May. This is the very thoroughly planned schedule we're following. We did day 1 yesterday. We did everything except for shop for groceries that we did not have time for. And then today, last thing on the list is to drive to Vic after this to our campground, and hopefully we can find a grocery store there that's still open so we can get some groceries. And hopefully, weather pending, we can actually go through with this because it's a pretty awesome schedule if I do may say so myself. It's a lot in here. It's 3 pages long and we're here for 8 days, so we could do it though. Okay, enough of that. Let's go chase some waterfalls. That was the last waterfall for today. We're gonna head over to Vik, which is a town by the ocean on the south side of the island. Set up camp there for the night. So that is it for our first full day in Iceland. Tomorrow will be another amazing adventure. Hopefully we won't have too much wind. Catch you guys next week. See ya on Tuesday. Bye.